Hey, this is Mr. Hendrickson. This is your plane mirror reflection pre-lab. You're going to start off with this setup here, and you're going to go ahead and place your mirror in the center of your paper over the piece of cardboard. Make sure you mark the back of your mirror with a pen. Then simply place one of your pins on one side of the mirror so that you can, as you slide over to the other side of the mirror, look into the mirror and see the reflection. Then squint with one of your eyes. Use a ruler to line up the image of the pin in the mirror and trace back along the edge of the ruler along your sight line to create a line. Then you'll simply slide down a little bit further. Again, locate that pin in the mirror, line it up the sight line with your eye, and then mark it with the pen. Slide over again, and again find the sight line to the actual pin in the mirror and mark it. Be careful that your paper doesn't move too much. Have your partner steady it if they have to, but please make sure that mirror doesn't move off the line. Then you'll simply take each of those lines you made and extend them back as far back as they'll go to the edge of the paper, like you see here. You should notice that these lines all begin to intersect in the same area. This is good. This is what you want to see. The closer the intersection of all three, the better. Once you're done with this part, then you can flip it over and you'll recreate the process again. Again, place your pin, mark your mirror, and again, draw three sight lines looking down that ruler, line it up with one eye only, and mark all three sight lines, again, as you see here. Again, take care, make sure that paper doesn't move, make sure it's secured. It helps to have a partner hold it steady for you. This time we're going to be looking at the actual angle of reflection. So this time simply extend your lines just to the mirror, or the line marking the mirror. And then we're going to do something with these lines momentarily once we identify the point where our pin was. Once you pull the pin, be sure to mark where the pin was and simply connect each of the lines at the mirror to the position of the pin. Lastly, we want to mark the angles that these tracings make with the mirror itself. And then eventually you'll grab a protractor and begin to measure these once you have this diagram done. If you did it correct, you'll see something that looks like this. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and make sure you read the lab.